Here's an easy lesson. You just need a blank spreadsheet of any sort. And remember how we put in notes before? Another option there is to insert a text box. So if I go over here to text, I can make a text box. Selecting that allows me to draw any size I want and start typing. And when you have this selected, you have a different option up here that vanishes once you click off of it. So know that shape format, make it into different shapes by editing shape. You have some preset style types if you want to change the color. If you want to fill it with a different color, you can do that too. And we can make a shadow. So if I click on this and go to the handles, and I have the diagonal arrows pointing, I can change the size. If I don't like where it's located in here, I can go up to alignment, and this puts it in the middle. The one below it puts it in the center. And of course, if we highlight it, we can change the font, we can change the size of the font, color, etc. So that's a text box. If we don't want text in our shape, we can just make a shape. Say we want to put a squiggly line and just draw. There you go. And it took on that style. So to get rid of the style, you can go to shape fill and go to no fill. Another option for putting in words, if you go to insert and word art, you can put bold kind of statement on letters. So now it's looking a lot like Microsoft Paint. This just takes place in a different level than the actual spreadsheet. So if I'm up here, I can also type things and they wind up behind the word art or shape or whatever I have there. Let's say I wanted to move this to the front. You can do that by clicking on it. You go to shape format, you go to bring forward, and you keep clicking on it until it's all the way forward. If you want to put it all the way in the front, you can do that too. Let's try it with this. Bring forward, bring to front. Or if I want to send it backwards, I can certainly go send to back, or one level at a time. Some examples of some other useful shapes is, so if I click on this circle here and make it an arrow instead, I can go up to shape format, edit shape, change shape, and make it a block arrow. To resize it, we can point it in different directions. Of course, we can make it completely upside down. But for that case, we probably want to do the opposite arrow shape. So that's arrows for you as a bonus.